Hi guys, today I will be giving overall view of mathematics portion of second PSC. I will be giving a proper blueprint of each chapter. First, I will discuss about board exam question paper. In this question paper, five sections are dividing. Section A, Section B, Section C and Section D, Section E. In section A is 1 mark problems are they're giving. Section B is 2 marks problems are they're giving. Section C is 3 marks problems are they're given. Section D is 5 marks problems are they're giving. And section E is 6 marks plus 4 marks. Totally 10 marks. Totally 10 marks they are giving. And in second PUC 13 chapters is there in mathematics. First chapter is relations and functions. In this chapter weightage is 11 marks. And the second chapter inverse trigonometric 8 marks weightage from this chapter. Matrices 9 marks weightage from this chapter. Determinants 12 marks weightage from this chapter. Continuity and differentiability 5th chapter and 20 marks second highest weightage from this chapter. Application of derivatives 10 marks weightage from this chapter. And integrals 22 marks weightage from this chapter. 22 marks weightage, this is the highest weightage of in mathematics. And application of integrals 8 marks will getting from this chapter. Differential equations 10 marks will getting from this chapter. Vector algebra 11 marks will getting from this chapter. 3 mark dimensional geometry 11 marks weightage from this chapter. Linear programming 7 marks weightage from this chapter. And last chapter is probability 11 marks weightage from this chapter. Totally 100 marks question paper in board exam. And I will be putting videos based on these chapters every day. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the more notifications.